Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida, and Haulover is absolutely firing today. Gonna be interesting to see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet. But here we go, let's get our competition started, and we're gonna roll out with a Midnight Express to get us kicked off. Our crew starts to make their way out of the inlet. They're taking a little bit of a cautious approach, probably a wise decision on a day like today. Cap lays into the throttles just a little bit to try and get the bow up, but I don't think we're going to see any full send boys today. Oh man, comes big, lands kind of hard, but still it looks pretty good. Honestly though, it is so nasty out here today, we're not going to see a whole lot of rides much better than this. They took it just cautious enough to be able to make it out without stuffing the bow, but still going just at a good enough pace to let the boat do the work. I'm torn on this one because it is a rough ride, but I am going to go ahead and give this first round to the boats, which is going to give the boats an early 1-0 lead as we move into the second round of our contest, where we're going to feature a Glacier Bay catamaran trying to work its way out of the inlet. Now these cats are known for eating up rough waves. Let's see how this Glacier Bay does. And they're off to a little bit of a rough start. Cat probably could lay a little more into these throttles. Cats are a little different than monohulls. In this one, you really want to push those throttles up a little bit till the cat really gets to its point where it's just cutting through the waves. And they're definitely taking a rough ride. No! Did I really just see that? Our girl just straight up throws the plastic red Solo cup right overboard into the ocean, and there's no way, I don't care what they do the rest of the way through, you're definitely taking a loss on that one. I'm really not sure what's changed, because in the last 6 months or so, we've caught as many people littering coming out of Haulover Inlet as we probably had in the whole first 3 years we were down here filming. I'm not sure what's going on, guys, but you're always going to take a loss on this channel if you toss anything into the ocean. And that's going to bring us to the third round of our contest, tied at 1 apiece. Let's see who can take the advantage, as we're going to have an HCB working its way out of Haulover Inlet. Got some bow riders, it's a rough day. Cap's got a pretty decent pace, going a little faster than some of the boats we've seen, but man, this HCB is just slicing and dicing its way through the waves. Even in these rough conditions, it looks pretty good. Hits a pretty good size one there, but the boat's still landing soft. I don't really see any danger either. The guys in the bow don't look too uncomfortable, and to be honest, about as good a ride as I think we're going to see from anybody on a day like this. I mean, Haulover really is firing, and this crew really looks pretty solid, and they're going to take a win for the boats here in the third round. And that's going to give the boats a 2-1 lead as we move into the fourth round of our contest, where we're going to feature a formula trying to work its way out of the inlet. And here comes our crew now, and they are taking the slow roll approach. That can be a risky one on a day like this. He probably needs to get the boat moving just a little faster than this, try and get it barely up on plane and get that bow up, but let's see how this approach pays off for him. Our crew is starting to move out into the heavier rollers, and this is where it can get interesting when you're moving this slow, and they're definitely bobbing up and down, but I mean, Haulover's got to have a huge intimidation factor on a day like today. This is a big boat designed for speed. Formulas are performance vessels, and my man's having to take it slow. Haulover sends a couple little waves over the bow, and man, once again, this is just an intimidation factor by Haulover Inlet. This vessel wants to be opened up, but the crew decides they have to take it slow because Haulover's firing so much. This is a tough one. They don't do anything particularly wrong, but they don't do anything particularly great either, which once again just makes it a tough rating. But on this one, I think Haulover has the advantage because Haulover has definitely dictated what this boat could do on this day, and I'm going to give the win to Haulover in this round. And of course, this will take us to our fifth and final round of our contest, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win? Will it be the boats or Haulover? Here we go. We've got an Everglades working its way out of Haulover to do the final round. And my man looks pretty solid. They've got this boat running at just about the perfect pace. Just fast enough to keep the bow up, let the boat cut through the waves. They kept to the north side of the inlet and are going to cut straight out around the north end, which is going to pull them to safety pretty quickly, and this crew is not going to have any issues at all, and they're going to take a win for the boats here in the 5th round, giving the boats the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet, My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.